Hi, this is Extraordinary watching Royal Technology. In this video, we will show you how you can check whether your laptop or desktop hardware is good or bad, or how it will perform. So let's follow the steps. So just click on the start menu and search PowerShell and run as administrator. So once open, you have to type a command here: get claim instance bin32 bin set. This like this only you have to type as it is, and then after you have to hit enter. So here it will score your hardware uh, between 1 to 9.9. so if it is above 8, then it's a good score, or below that it's a average score. So as you can see, it is scored all the hardware like graphics card, RAM, everything here. So like this you can check your system hardware score. So if you have any doubt, comment below. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video.